maybe I need to start growing out my edges because this, baby, damn. What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well today. If you're new here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and if you're already part of this family, welcome back. So today I bring to you guys another hair video, which I'm going to be doing for the next couple of weeks. Actually, I've got so many collaborations to do with different brands, and I'm super excited to bring to you guys different hair ideas, different hairstyles and hair colors and stuff. So bear with me. I'm going to be trying my level best to be switching things up a little bit, maybe mixing a little bit of makeup looks and hair looks as well, like do a 2-in-1 video. Also, I'm gonna try my level best to do a haul video for you guys since we're going into fall, just wearing different fall outfits to give you guys some ideas. Okay, now enough of me chit-chatting, let's get straight into the video. So today's video was sponsored by Asteria Hair, who contacted me and wanted me to try their new headband wig. Now, okay, you guys, these headband wigs, I have been seeing so much of it on YouTube and also on Instagram, and I'm like, this is pretty interesting. So when I got this email from Asteria Hair that they wanted me to try out the new wig, I'm like, why not? Of course, I'm super excited to do that. And then right after that, I got so many other brands just contacting me to try on the headband wigs. So you are going to be seeing a lot of headband wigs coming up with different textures, which is super amazing to also see, because the headband wigs are like so easygoing, and it's like you don't need no lace, you don't need no glue, you don't need no plucking, you don't need basically anything. It's like pop it on and off you go. So I'm really excited to try it out with you guys. So they sent me a kinky straight wig, and this is a 24 inches and it is a 180 density. So this is how the wig looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off, and oh wow, that's the headband right there. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and it comes with this adjustable strap that you can just obviously make tighter to fit your head size. This is so full, oh my god. So it's 180 density. That is super full for a kinky straight. So if you don't like full hair, probably settle with 150. This was too thick, which is good because I like, I like full-on wigs. Then they sent me different kind of headbands. So I got this really nice white curly headband. In the package, I also got this other mustard headband as well, and another headband. Got a really nice pair of mink lashes, a wig cap. I got an extra elastic band. We got a leaflet here telling you the essential care, how to care for their hair and all of that, which is quite good. And I also got a wig bag, which is really good for me to store my wig, and this way in my wig drawer I could recognize which wig it is. Okay, so first of all, with the headband wig, I'm gonna have to unfortunately show off my 5 head. And you guys, my hairline starts from so behind, basically starts from like 10 inches away from my forehead, which is, I ain't got a choice. The girl just don't have edges. So I'm gonna try my level best to style this headband wig. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this gel right here, and this is like a maximum hold wax, which is really amazing. I'll link everything down below of what I'm using and where I got it from. So I'm gonna take some of this wax, and then I'm just gonna try and lay these empty edges. This gel is like really good. It actually has like the strongest hold ever. I use this on baby Sana, and it's like so good to keep her hair into place, and it really lasts for like so long, like a couple of days. So after this, I'm just gonna go in with my brush and just like sleek it even more. So with my edge brush and some eco styling gel, I'm just gonna try and like sway this just a little bit. I'm actually gonna take out maybe a little bit of baby hairs as well. I believe it, yeah. There's something going on. Okay, so once I'm done just swaying these edges, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my argan oil, and this is an edge control that is black, and this basically just like helps fill in any empty patches that you may have on your edges. So it's super dark, but it's really good to just make your edges look so full. So I'm just gonna like go over it. It would just like give an extra hold, but it make it super dark, which is like really good. Can you guys see the difference? This is so magical. So the construction of the wig, it comes with 3 clips in the front right here, and then it has another 2 extra clips. So I'm gonna pop this wig on. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to be trying to clip these into my hair. I feel like they could have done the other comb type clips instead of these ones. I'm not quite sure how these would hold. Okay. Oh, it's quite secure, to be honest. Yeah, that was quite secure. So I'm gonna do the 2 at the back as well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch the band. So this is the headband that comes with the wig. So I'm gonna pull the headband quite tight just so it fits perfectly. Perfect. This feels so good. The hair's so soft. Now this is the reason why they give you headbands to put on top of this black one. If you want, you can just leave it the way it is, but knowing me, I 100% will add something to it. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this there. And wow, I mean, just look at that. This was so nice and super quick and easy. Like, you can save your edges. Maybe I need to start growing out my edges, because this, baby, damn. What did you guys think? Should we try out other headbands? With this style as well, if you want, you can bring the headband wig quite close to your forehead, and this way you can also have it like all the way up to here if you're so insecure about your forehead, or if you feel like your hair starts from way far behind from where it should normally start from. You can actually bring it forward, you know. This is cute. So let's try this one out. This is another way that you can also have it, you know, just switch things up. I wouldn't wear this wig if I'm out on a date or, you know, out with my girls. Obviously, I would want to slay those edges and rock a lace wig, but I would definitely rock this to town or do it my everyday wig if I'm heading to work. This is something that I can just throw on, put some headband on, and off I go. So I'm just gonna try and put it half up, half down. I also think that it would have been a good idea to have combs on the side here, just so it could feel a bit more secured. But you can always add some bobby pins to it. Holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second? So this would be my half up, half down. How cute is this? Okay, damn. You can rock it this way as well. Cold, since you left me here. This is so cute. What do you guys think? Came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. If we want, we can also roll this apart into a nice bun, like a nice messy bun. And voila! How cute is this as well? This was so cute. This is also another way that you can wear it. Just play around with it. Basically, you can do whatever you want with it. And this is what I meant by, if you want, you can bring the headband a little too close to your forehead and just cover anything that you feel insecure about. It may be that you have a big forehead, it may be the fact that you don't have any edges like me. But in that case, you can always go ahead and just add a thick headband and voila. Okay, this is very cute, you guys. Very, very handy.
'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong.
I think this is really nice as well, this way.
Dead, I fell into a big black hole. It got me stuck.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this into a bun.
You got me stone cold. It got me stone cold.
So yeah, this is just another way that you can have it, and you can also always just roll it into a nice bun, a messy bun if you want. You know, just have it up in a top bun like this, entirely up to you. This is the last style I am going to be doing for you guys. I have a scarf here. It's a long one. I'm just gonna put it into a triangle. And then I'm gonna make sure I put it into half again, and I'm just gonna roll it until it becomes this size. Okay, and voila. So this is the back. I think this was cute. This hairstyle was cute. Damn. Oh. Okay everybody, this was my last hairstyle to show you guys with this headband wig from Asteria hair. I will link every single details of this wig down below in the description bar in case you are interested. I think it was super worth it. It's very easy, like I said earlier in the video. This headband wig is so easy to style, very easy to apply on, super quick and fast, and also I would wear this for my everyday wig. This style was so cute. So I'm gonna let you off, and I'll let you guys check out their website. They've got discount codes available for you guys as well, so make sure you check down below in the description box before you head over to their website. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I will be coming in with some more headband wigs, different textures. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye now.